Hello to Storytime, we're glad to see you're here. Hello to Storytime, we're glad to see you're here. Welcome back, friends! Another session of Storytimes with Christopher and Garvin and all of his friends. Thank you for coming today. I'm going to read a story that I've never read before, so we're going to go on this adventure together. Okay? Garvin, what do you have for us today? Oh, another one. I love this one. Thank you. I've seen this in bookstores and things like that, but I've never read it. High five, buddy. Woo! I hope it's a good choice. The story today is called The Busy Little Train by Anna Claiborne and Joe Moon. Lots of animals, lots of wheels, lots of trains. And look at the green grass and flowers. It makes me think of spring. Let's start the story right now. Here we go. The Busy Little Train. Chuggity, chuggity, clickety, clack. A train is coming along the track. Monkey is driving, hear him say, "Who wants a trip on my train today?" Clickety, clack, clickety, clack. Ring-a-ding-ding, it's time to ride over the hill to the countryside. Cow calls, "Moo, I'm coming with you." She climbs aboard, and now there are two. Clickety-clack, ding-ding. Choo-choo-choo! The speeding train chugs across the hot, dusty plain. Giraffe shouts, "Monkey, wait for me!" She steps aboard, and now there are three. 1, 2, 3. Clickety-clack, ding-ding, choo-choo! Puffity-puff, away we go! Through all the sparkling ice and snow. Polar Bear roars, "Is there room for one more?" He leaps aboard, and now there are 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Clickety-clack, ding-ding, choo-choo! Puffity-puff. Now the train goes bumpity-bump over the steamy, squelchy swamp. Elephant trumpets, can I play? 5 on board and we're on our way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Clickety-clack, ding-ding, choo-choo! Puffity-puffity, bumpity-bump. Through the tunnel, as dark as night, all the animals hold on tight. Elephant, bear, giraffe, and cow. Where is Monkey taking them now? Here we are beside the sea, and all are happy as happy can be. Time to paddle and dig and play on the beach for a holiday! The end. Wow, thank you, Garvin. What an adventure we had together on a book that I have never read before. The Busy Little Train. I hope you're keeping yourself busy by going on your own little adventures. Well, story time is done for now. Speaking of adventures, how about you come back again, and Garvin and I and friends will be waiting for you. What a plan. Great idea. So we hope to see you real soon. Goodbye to Storytime, we're glad to see you came. Goodbye to Storytime, we're glad to see you came. Take care of yourselves and come back real soon. Bye-bye.